Welcome to Clipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on color inversion in your Samsung TV. So at first go to your TV home screen. You have to just press home button from your remote. After that just swipe left. Now from here scroll down and then open up your TV settings. And at the bottom you can see all settings option, then just open it. You have to just press OK button from your remote. That's it. After that scroll down. Then go to general and privacy option and then go to accessibility. After that scroll down again and here you can see color inversion option. Now you may ask, how does it work? Now if you enable this option from here, then it will invert the colors of your screen. Also light appears dark and vice versa. And that's it. Now you have to just press OK button from your remote to turn on this option. And that's it. You can see color inversion option has been enabled successfully. If you want to disable it again, just press OK button again, and that's it. And that is how you can turn on color inversion in your Samsung TV. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.